Good morning, students. So, by using the applications of definite integration to solve some more problems. So, by using applications of definite integration to solve some more problems, that is most important problem. That is problem number. That is a 5-mark question. Most important problem. What is that? Find the area enclosed between two curves, two parabola, namely y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4y. Now how to solve? Look here. Now here given data, y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4y. Okay, x square equal to 4y, using that y is equal to x square by 4. Okay, now here in first curve y square equal to 4x. As you know that there are 4 different types of parabola. What are those? You know, namely first one, y square is equal to 4ax. The curve lies on positive direction of x-axis. Whereas y square is equal to minus 4ax, the curve lies on negative direction of x-axis, and x square is equal to 4ay, the curve lies on positive direction of y-axis, and x square is equal to minus 4ay, the curve lies on negative direction of y-axis. Okay. Now here in this example, first curve y square is equal to 4x. Observe it. Clearly it is in the form. Which type? Type number 1. That is in the form y square is equal to 4ax. So that the curve lies on which direction? Positive direction of x-axis. Correct? This equation of parabola is y square is equal to 4x. Okay. Then second curve, observe it. Second curve ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, x square is equal to 4y. X square is equal to 4y. I think it is in the form type number 3. That is x square is equal to 4ay. So that the curve lies on positive direction of y-axis. Right? Now this equation is x square is equal to 4y. Now observe those two curves. Now the question to find the area enclosed between these two curves. ನೋಡಿ ಎರಡು ಕರ್ವ್ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಮೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈ ಮೀಟ್ ಆದಂತ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಈ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ತಾನೆ, ಸೊ ಇದರ ಏರಿಯಾ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ enclosed between these two curves, that shaded portion, to calculate that shaded portion area. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Okay. How to calculate? Look here. These two curves. Now here the first curve. These two curves intersect at this point. Now you call it as a B. Now here this is first curve. That is OAB is the first one. Second curve, call it as the curve OCB. Now to find the area OABCO, ಈ ಏರಿಯಾವನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. How to calculate? Construct from the point B. Draw BM perpendicular to x-axis. Okay? Now to find the shaded portion area. Now before solving the area, first to find out the limits, point of intersection. Now solving these two curves to find the point of intersection. Now here in equation 1 y square equal to 4x, equation 2 x square equal to 4y, right? Therefore y is equal to x square by 4. Now take first equation. Now equation 1 gives ಏನಿದೆ y square equal to 4x. y square is equal to 4x. This implies, but the value of y using equation number 2, x square by 4 whole power 2 is equal to 4x, because y value x square by 4, put y value x square by 4 whole power 2 is equal to 4x. Simplify, x square whole power 2 is x power 4. 4 square is 16 is equal to 4x. Cross multiply, x power 4 is equal to 64x, right? Or x power 4 minus 64x is equal to 0. Now among those two, what is common? X common, take x common. X minus, that is x cube minus 64 is equal to 0, right? Therefore either x is equal to 0 or x cube minus 64 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 or x cube is equal to 64. Therefore, x is equal to 0 or x is equal to cube root of 64 is, I think 4. 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64, right? We got the limits. Now to calculate shaded portion area. So required area A is equal to this part of the area calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How to calculate? Now see the diagram. Area, take area OABM. No, written code OABM under E shape. This is OABM, isn't it? OABM, right? ಈ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ OCBM minus area OCBM. ಈ part less ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. It will get that shaded portion minus area OCBM, right? You call it as equation 3. Now to find area OABM. Now that is required area A is equal to area OABM called as A1 and here you called as A. Okay, here A1 is called A2. Now to find A1. So A1, area bounded by the curve with x-axis is given by the formula A to B y dx. That is A to B. A is lower limit, B is upper limit. What is lower limit? 0. Upper limit is 4. Y dx, that curve OABM, that first curve. OABM, y dx, but y square is equal to 4x. What is y value? Y value 2 into root x with respect to x, because y square is equal to 4x, correct? Therefore y is equal to square root of 4 2 into root x, right? Then simplify 2 integral from 0 to 4 root x is nothing but x power 1 by 2, right? Now what is integral of x power 1 by 2? X power 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 between the limits 0 to 4. That 2 goes to numerator, that is 4 by 3 into that is x power 3 by 2 between the limits 0 to 4. Now put x is equal to upper limit and x equal to lower limit. That is a1 is equal to 4 by 3. X equal to upper limit 4 power 3 by 2 minus lower limit is 0. 4 by 3. 4 can be written as 2 square to the power of 3 by 2 minus 0. That is 4 by 3. Laws of index is a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. That 2 get cancelled, isn't it? 2 power 3. 8 minus 0, 8 4s are 32 by 3 square units. This is A1. Similarly to find A2. Also A2 is equal to integral from A to B, same limits 0 to 4. Y dx, second curve OCBM, upper curve OCBM y dx, the value of y is equation 2, that is x square by 4 with respect to x, that equals 1 by 4 constant. Integrate, what is integral of x square? X power 3 by 3 between the limit 0 to 4, that is 1 by 4. Put x equal to upper limit 4 cube 64 by 3, lower limit is 0. 4 1s are 4 16s are, that is 16 by 3 square units. Therefore, required area A is equal to A1 minus A2. What is A1? 32 by 3. A2 16 by 3. LCM is 3. 32 minus 16. 16 upon 3. Measurement of units, square units. 5 mark question, most important. Diagram must. Okay. Correct draw ಮಾಡಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay. Next problem, again 5 mark question, most important problem. Prove that area of ellipse x square by a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1 is equal, that in condition a more than b, is pi ab square units by using integration method. Now how to solve? Again you know the formula. Area bounded by the curve with x-axis is given by the formula integral from a to b y dx. Now here given x square by a square. This is standard equation of ellipse. X square by a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. First, using this to find the value of y, this implies y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square. Correct? That term goes to right side. Implies y square by b square is equal to LCM is a square, here a square minus x square. Cross multiply y square is equal to b square divided by a square into bracket a square minus x square, or y is equal to square root of b square is b, square root of a square is a into bracket a square minus root of a square minus x square. This is the value of y. Now here x square by a square plus y square upon b square. The curve lies on the curve like this, just like it is X-shaped structure, isn't it? You know the concept of ellipse already in first PU, isn't it? So this is ellipse. Now the question is to find complete area. Now here that curve cuts the x-axis at A dash and y-axis at B dash. O is the origin, that is 0, 0. Now take the distance. OA is equal to distance A, OA dash is also distance A because x-axis distance is A. Similarly, OB distance is here B. Now the question to find a complete area of that part. Now since O is the origin, OA lies on which axis? X-axis. Therefore, coordinates of point A are A comma 0 because OA lies on x-axis, OA length is A. Then y coordinate is 0. Now the question to find complete area of that part. So how to solve? Now first to find one part of the ellipse. Now the one part, this is one part. Okay. Now to find area of that part, multiply by 4 times because the curve is symmetric about both the axes, isn't it? So that first to find area of that part, then multiply by 4 times, isn't it? Now since here O is the origin, okay, O is the origin and A is the point A comma 0. Therefore limits, by taking limits, x is equal to 0 and the limit x is equal to A. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is A. Now to find area of complete ellipse, now how to calculate? First to find one part of the area, multiply by 4 times. Now here area of ellipse is equal to area of complete ellipse is equal to 4 times area OAB. Because the curve is symmetric, how many parts? 4 parts. That's why I taking 4 into area OAB. Now that equals 4 into area formula, you know, integral from A to B, y dx, right? A is lower limit is 0. B is upper limit is A. Y dx, what is y value? B upon A into under root of A square minus x square with respect to x, right? Now simplify. 4 B by A constant into integral from 0 to A under root of A square minus x square with respect to x. Now that equals 4 times B by A. Yes, you know that in integration by parts, 3 important results. What is integral of root A square minus x square? Remember that formula. What is that? X by 2 into root of A square minus x square plus A square by 2 into sine inverse of x by A. Already proved. Prove ಮಾಡಿದನ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, integral of root A square minus x square by using by parts. What is the formula? X by 2 under root of A square minus x square plus A square by 2 sine inverse of x by A between the limits 0 to A. Okay, then simplify. Put x is equal to upper limit. Upper limit is A, that is A by 2 into root of A square minus x value upper limit A. X square is, that is limit A square plus A square by 2 sine inverse of A by A, x value A, right? This is upper limit. Minus x equal to lower limit. Lower limit is 0. Put x is 0. 0 by 2 is 0. 0 into any number 0. Plus A square by 2 sine inverse of lower limit is 0. X value 0. 0 by A 0. Right? That equals 4 times B by A. A square minus A square 0. 0 to that part becomes 0. plus a square by 2. Here a cancel, that is 1. Sin inverse of 1, sin of which angle is 1? 5 by 2. Right? Minus lower limit 0. Sin inverse of 0 is also 0. So that is 4 times b by a. 0 plus pi into a square divided by 2 2s are 4. 4 cancel, 1a cancel. Final answer pi ab square units. This is the area of ellipse. Suppose in annual exam they will ask like this, instead of general form they will ask like this. Now the question is like this. Suppose again 5-mark question. Find the area of ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1 using integration. Nodri, instead of general value particular value kottaga. How to solve? First to solve general result anna prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, then substitute the value of a and b. Now here it is in the form x square by a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Here a square is 16, b square is 9, a value 4, b value 3. We got a and b value. Therefore, you know that area of ellipse using integration method, you know the formula. What is that? Pi ab. That is pi. A value 4, b value 3. 4 into 3. 12 pi measurement of units square units. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ನಿಮಗೆ 5-mark ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ 5-mark ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಇದಿಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, after that substitute the value of a and b. Okay, clear? Oh yes. Next problem. Find the area of circle x square plus y square is equal to a square by using integration. Again 5-mark question, most important sum. Now here given x square plus y square is equal to a square. Using this to find y, so that y square is equal to a square minus x square, or y is equal to under root of a square minus x square. Now here let x and y axis. X square plus y square is equal to a square. You know that it represents a circle which center is at horizon, isn't it? Center is at horizon. Radius is here. In this situation radius is a. Okay, so let the circle cuts the x and y axis which center is at horizon. Radius is a. Now this is horizon. Since the circle cuts the x-axis at a dash and y-axis at bb dash. Now O is the horizon, OA is radius. That radius lays on which axis? X-axis. So that coordinates of point A are a comma 0. Same type. Now again the question to find complete area. Now how to solve? To find one part of the area of circle. Now multiply by 4 times, because again there are 4 parts. The curve is symmetric. Again it is also circle. So that to calculate one part of the area, multiply by 4 times. Now here, since O is the horizon, since that is center is at horizon and radius is a, so that coordinates of point a comma 0. Now to find complete area of circle, therefore remember area of circle is equal again by taking 4 times area OAB, because there are 4 parts, that's why by taking 4, that equals 4 area formula a to b, integral from a to b y dx, that is 4 into integral from a is lower limit is 0, upper limit is a, y value is under root of a square minus x square with respect to x. Again you know that by using integration by parts. What is integral of under root a square minus x square? Remember that formula. What is that? X by 2 into under root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a between the limits 0 to a. Right? Now put x is equal to upper limit a by 2 under root of a square minus a square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of a by a. This is upper limit. Minus x equal to lower limit 0 by 2, nothing but 0, plus a square by 2 sin inverse of lower limit is 0, 0 by a is become 0, right? So that equals 4 times a square minus a square 0 plus a square by 2. Here a cancel, sin inverse of 1, sin of which angle is 1, pi by 2 minus sin inverse of 0 is 0. That is 4 times pi a square divided by 4. 4 cancel. That is pi a square units. You know that area of circle formula pi r square. R is the radius. Here radius is a. So that is pi a square. Okay. Now note that suppose the question like this. Find the area of circle. Find the area of circle. X square plus y square is equal to 16. Using integration. Note, instead of a square, here particular number given. How to solve? First to solve general result. Okay, general result and solve ಮಾಡಿ then substitute the value of a square. Now here x square plus y square is equal to 16. It is in the form x square plus y square is equal to, it is in the form x square plus y square is equal to a square. Therefore a square value 60. Now you know that area of circle in general is equal to pi a square. Pi a square value 16, that is 16 pi measurement of units square units. Particular number ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? First to solve general ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು put a square value. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ in previous result elliptical ಕೂಡ general result ಅನ್ನು solve ಮಾಡಿ put a square value, b square value in that result. A value, b value. After finding the area of ellipse, a value, b value substitute ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. After finding the area of circle general, then put a square value substitute. Okay? Yes, next problem. Find the smaller area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 and the line x plus y is equal to 2. Now that question was asked in 2017 March annual exam, that is 5 mark question. No, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು circle ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು line ಇದೆ. Now to find the area of the circle as well as the line. How to solve? Look here. Given data x square plus y square is equal to 4. Clearly it is in the form x square plus y square is equal to 4 can be written as 2 square. It is in the form x square plus y square equal to a square. A is the radius. So this circle, that is equation of circle with center is at origin, radius is a, is given by equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square, right? This is center, center is at origin, radius is 2, OA is radius 2. Now here the circle cuts the x-axis at a dash and y-axis at bb dash. Okay? Now ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ? ಲೈನ್. ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ x plus y is equal to 2. Okay? Now here clearly ಇದನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? It is in the form intersect form. Now divide by 2. Divide both sides by 2, we get x by 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. Now it is in the form x by a plus y upon b is equal to 1. That equation represents intersect form. That is the line, the circle, this line cuts x and y axis at a and b. That equation of line is x by 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 1 or x plus y is equal to 2. Okay, now the question, find the smaller area enclosed by the circle. This is smaller part. Either area ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ calculate ಮಾಡಿ. Find the area enclosed by smaller area enclosed by the circle to calculate area of that part. How to calculate? Now here required area is equal to required area A is equal to, first you take area of first quadrant, that is OAB. OAB, complete that part, sector OAB, minus area of the line AB. Complete part won't be like this. Okay, middle might be line AB minus line AB. Less small part, it will get required shaded portion. So that is equal to area formula integral from A to B y dx. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is, now radius is 2. OAB, that part of the circle equation x square plus y square equal to 4. This implies y square is equal to 4 minus x square, or y is equal to under root of 4 minus x square. So y value root of 4 minus x square with respect to x, minus integral from same limit 0 to 2. Area of the line AB, area bounded by the curve with x-axis is given by the formula integral from A to B y dx. So what is y? Using this y value 2, that x goes to right side, minus x. X plus y is equal to 2, therefore y is equal to 2 minus x, right? Then simplify. That equals 0 to 2. 4 can be written as, we can write 2 square. Now it is in the form root a square minus x square. You know the formula by using integration by parts. What is integral of root a square minus x square? What is that? X by 2 into under root of a square minus x square plus a square value 2 square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a value 2. Okay, between the limits 0 to 2 minus, what is integral of 2? 2x minus integral of x square by 2 between the limits 0 to 2. Now that is equal to, put x equal to upper limit 2 by 2 into root of 2 square minus x value 2 square. Then 2 square is 4 by 2 sine inverse of x value 2 by 2. This is upper limit. Minus lower limit, put x is lower limit 0, 0 by 2 is 0, 0 into any number becomes 0, plus 2 square 4 by 2 sine inverse of x value 0, 0 by 2 is 0. This is lower limit. Minus again second limit, put x equal to upper limit 2 into 2 4 minus x value 2 square by 2 minus lower limit 2 into 0 0 minus 0 square by 2 is 0. Okay, so that is 2 to cancel, 2 square minus 2 square 0, 4 by 2 is nothing but 2, sine inverse of 1 minus 0, 2 ones are 2 2s are, sine inverse of 0 become again 0, right? Minus 4 minus 2 square 4, 4 by 2 is 2. Then further simplify, required area A is equal to 2 sine inverse of 1, sine of which angle is 1? Pi by 2, 90 degree, minus 0, minus 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 cancel, that is required area A is equal to pi minus 2 square units. Okay, only find the smaller area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. You know that x square plus y square equal to a square. It represents equation of circle with center is at horizon, radius is a. Here in this example, radius is 2. Okay, now consider a circle with center is at horizon. The circle cuts the x-axis at a dash, y-axis at b dash. Okay, now center is at horizon, radius is 2. OA lies on which axis? X-axis. Therefore, coordinates of point A are 2, 0. Y coordinate is 0. OA x-axis distance is 2. And the line x plus y is equal to 2. Now divide both sides by 2. It will get x by 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. It is in the form x by a plus y upon b is equal to 1. That is known as, in first few result, that is intercept form. You know that equation of line with the line cuts the x and y axis at A and B, then its equation is x by A plus y upon B is equal to 1. That equation of line is known as intercept form. Now the line cuts the x axis at A as well as y axis at B. Now the question is to find the area of smaller part of the circle. This is smaller part of the circle. To calculate area, that shaded portion become to calculate the area. How to solve? Now first, given data x square plus y square equal to 4, using this to find the value of y square is equal to 4 minus x square, or y is equal to under root 4 minus x square. Similarly, here the line x plus y is equal to 2. Using this, y is equal to 2. That term goes to right side, 2 minus 6. We got both values of y. Now, required area is equal to, first you take area of the region OAB, complete one sector, one quadrant, minus area of the line AB. Okay. Now, what is the formula for area? Integral from A to B, y dx. A is lower limit, B is upper limit. Lower limit is here 0, upper limit is finite value 2, y dx, the first quadrant of the circle. What is y value? Under root of 4 minus x square. 4 can be written as 2 square minus x square. Minus integral from 0 to 2. Line AB, x plus y is equal to, using this, y is equal to 2 minus x. So y value 2 minus x with respect to x. Now it is in the form integration of root of a square minus x square by using integration by parts. Most important result. What is integral of root a square minus x square formula? X by 2 under root of a square minus x square. A square value 2 square minus x square plus a square by 2. What is a square? 2 square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. A value 2 between the limit 0 to 2 minus second part integrate. What is integral of 2? ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2x minus integral of x is x square by 2 between the limit 0 to 2. Now put x equal to upper limit minus x equal to lower limit. Upper limit 2 by 2 under root of 2 square minus 2 square plus 2 square is 4 by 2 sin inverse of upper limit x value 2 by 2 minus lower limit is 0. Put x value is 0. 0 by 2 is 0 into root of 2 square minus 0 square. That complete part becomes 0. Plus 2 square is 4 by 2. Sin inverse of lower limit is 0 by 2 is 0. Minus again in second part, put x equal to upper limit 2 into 2 4 minus x value 2 square by 2 minus lower limit is, put x is 0, 2 into 0 0 minus 0 square by 2 is 0. Simplify 2 square minus 2 square, that is 0. 4 upon 2 is 2. Sin inverse of 2 cancel. Sin inverse of 1 minus that sin inverse of 0 become 0 minus 4 minus 2 square is 4 by 2 is nothing but 2. That part is 0. So 2 times sin inverse of 1. Sin of which angle is 1? Pi by 90 degree minus 0 minus 4 minus 2 is minus 2. 2 cancel. So final answer, required area of smaller part of the circle is A is equal to pi minus 2. Measurement of units pi unit, that is square units. That question was asked in 2017 March annual exam, 5 mark question. Okay, ಇದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಯಾವುದು? ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್. ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 45. 45th question belongs to under applications of definite integration problem. Okay.